Hello students, a warm welcome to you. Today we are doing a new chapter, lesson number 8, conjunctions and kind of conjunctions. Now as you know, open to page number 40 in your textbook. Please keep a pencil in your hand. So conjunctions, that is the topic that we are doing. Conjunctions is not absolutely new to you. We have done this in the 5th grade also. As you know, what is a conjunction? It's a word which is used to join the two separate sentences. When there are two sentences, you use one word which joins the sentence and makes it one whole complete sentence. The most commonly used conjunctions are and, but, and because. That is also something that you know. We use it all the time. So let us come to that part. I hope you have finished reading part A. Now we come to part B, that is the use of conjunctions. And is used when you have the two sentences of the same rank. That is, I went to buy mangoes, I went to buy oranges. So you will say I went to buy mangoes and oranges. When you are joining the two sentences, that is and. But is when there are sentences with different or contrast meanings. Means, like I told you, I studied very hard but could not get good marks. So studying very hard and bad marks are two opposite sentences. So you use the word but. Now there is another word or. Or is when you're trying to tell them, okay, finish this work or you will not be allowed to play. That is or. So but, and, or. These are the three sentences that we have done. We come to another page and point E. We are on page 41. They are used to show time. They are conjunctions of time. Of course, here you don't have to separate the conjunctions like we used to do before, adverb of time, adverb of place. No. For conjunctions, we are not doing anything of that sort. Just they have explained it before, as soon as, after, until, when, since. These are the words again used to join the sentences. You've become so thin since I saw you last. Since. Sometimes since can also be used in the beginning of the sentence. As I always tell you, and I repeat even now, we normally never ever begin a sentence with a conjunction that is and, but, because, or are not ever used in the beginning of a sentence. But there are certain words like although, since, which can be used in the beginning of a sentence. Please remember this. There is another conjunction of reason. Again, since. Most common is because. I could not come on time because it was raining. Here you are giving a reason. તમે કારણ આપો છો. Why? Because. Therefore, since, as, so. These are all conjunctions of reason. On the basis of that, I am sure you can do exercise 1. That should not be at all difficult to you. Now we come to point G, and that is conjunctions of contrast. Contrast, we just said, he could not pass, though he studied very hard. Though, although, still. Still is not very commonly used. Only though and although are more commonly used conjunctions of contrast. Then you have even conjunctions of condition, and that is unless. We shall not leave unless you finish your work. So that is unless, if. They are conditions. Now, I hope you have understood these conjunctions unless and if. We can only do this if you finish this work. If, when you give a condition to it. You can get a storybook if you finish writing fast. You will get good marks if you have written your paper well. That is if, not very difficult to understand. So on the basis of that, you can do exercise 2. Exercise 3 is also based on joining the sentences with conjunctions. Now, once again, let me explain to you. Conjunctions, we have two sentences. You are supposed to make only one sentence by adding the conjunction in between the sentence. It need not be exactly halfway, please. बट दोनों सेंटेंस को आपको ज्वाइन करना है. सो यू विल रिमूव द फुल स्टॉप, you will not use a capital letter in between, but you will make a complete sentence, just one sentence, with or by using the conjunction in the sentence. Harry failed. That is the first sentence I am doing of exercise 3. Harry failed. He was idle. Harry failed because he was idle. You're giving a reason. So here we add the word because. The full stop is removed and he, which was capital, will now not be capital anymore. I hope you have understood how to join the sentence. In the same way, you will do all the remaining sentences. Exercise 4. Use the correct conjunction in each of the following. They have given you three conjunctions from which you have to select the best and write the correct sentence. So that is pretty simple. So I hope there are only 4 exercises, but all the 4 exercises with complete sentences have to be written in your notebook. The answers will follow along with the video only, so you can check. Please don't copy the answers. Answers are only to help you to check whether you have done it correctly, or just in case you are not sure or in doubt about a particular sentence, you can check the answers. So please do this lesson thoroughly, do it well, and we'll see you soon. Bye.